Hello viewers, I believe you all are doing great. I welcome back you to Indian regional recipes. In today's video we are going to see crab curry. Let's start the video with the preparing of a special masala for the crab curry. Dry roast all the ingredients that I mentioned on the screen for your reference: coriander seeds, dry chilies, black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, fennel seeds, some cumins and some dried coconut. Just dry roast them and mix into fine powder and set it aside. Now in the same kadai, add some oil, saute some shallots, remove them from oil when they turn brown, and make a rough paste and set it aside too. Now in the same kadai, add some more oil if required, then add finely chopped onions. When the onions turn brown, add ginger garlic paste, saute till the raw smell goes. Then add some tomatoes and salt. Guys, here I'm showing you crab legs for your reference. I don't add them directly into the gravy. What I do, I these crab legs are packed with a lot of meat. So I grind them into a mixer jar, strain and get that delicious puree out of it, and I add it into the gravy. So this is how I do it. When the tomato softens, then add some turmeric powder, followed with some Kashmiri red chili powder to get a nice red color in the curry gravy, and normal red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Mix all of them well and let it cook for 2-3 minutes until the smell is gone. Then add the shallow paste that we prepared, and just combine all of them together and let it cook again for like 2-3 minutes. Well guys, here I'm showing the crab pieces, how I cut them. I mean, before adding it to the gravy, if you all know the pinchers of the crab, I crack them with a heavy object before adding them into the gravy. So it makes it easier to break them and open while eating. Also the gravy seeps in and boosting the flavors. I mean, it will enhance the flavor of the meat if you do that. So please follow these things before you add the crab into the gravy. After adding it to the masala, just mix all of them together, and then after 2-3 minutes, just add some hot water followed with that puree that we prepared from the crab legs, and let it cook for 2-3 minutes, and then add the special masala powder that we prepared and mix it well. Again, put the lid and cook it on low flame about 15 to 20 minutes. That's it guys. This gravy is going to be a bit thick, the consistency, and it's really delicious with rice or chapati. You can have it with anything, and on my word, please try this recipe and do let me know in the comment section below. I would really appreciate your reviews, and it's my humble request to subscribe my channel and support me. That's all guys. Thank you so much.